girl Brinks. Welcome back to another Vlogmas video. So today, y'all, we are going to be doing another DIY as far as the Vlogmas. And can you turn it down some? We got some gummy drops. We put these in the hallway for that decor. Well, not all the way down. You have to do it all the way. That was, you turn it completely down, like for real, bro. It didn't have to be completely down. So. All right. All right, y'all. So for this project, I know I said I was going to do like a border around the TV, but with time being of the essence, I decided that I'm just going to do like an over the TV type deal. So y'all know pool noodles are my go-to. I love me some pool noodles. You can pretty much do anything with a pool noodle. So what I did, y'all, was you want it to be straight. So to make this straight, you can either use like a broomstick handle, or I had a curtain rod that I took down. A curtain rod that I took down from this living room window, and I simply just slid it in, y'all, straight on through. What are you doing, Goofy? And now we got a straight pool noodle, y'all. The other thing that you're gonna need is, of course, I had tons of ornaments, so we're going to utilize these ornaments for this DIY. Blue and silver. I also have these icicles. These are going to be used as decorations to kind of fall and hang from the pool noodle, as well as I took a couple of snowflakes. I do have poinsettias as well. I forgot to bring them in here. I'll get them once I find them. Aww. They see your group goof already. And then I'm also going to use this garland. This garland is going to be like a filler, my snowflake filler. So what I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to take this garland and we're simply going to wrap the garland all the way around the pool noodle. And also a glue gun, y'all, if I'll have one.
Bruh.
Oh, I think I turned this power off. So this isn't even warmed up. What's up? Alright, so since that glue gun is not heated up yet, y'all, we are just going to simply wrap this around and then go back in with the glue gun once it's warmed up. And I think what I did, the reason why this is so long, because this came from Dollar Tree too, and Dollar Tree is not putting out any type of garland that's this doggone long, is I think what I did, y'all, was taped both of these together. So that's why it's so long. I don't want them more, baby.
You can have some.
I know, I don't want them more. So I think what I did was I taped two of these together, y'all. So it came out this super long. And that's why it goes down like that. Or I twisted it together somewhere, probably right there, I think. It may be one, it may be two, it could even be three, y'all, but I know for a fact I've never gotten any garland from Dollar Tree that's been this long. So, yeah. This for sure did not come from Dollar Tree being this long. And I like this garland for this project specifically because it has the snowman in it. And I was like, that's perfect for the theme. So yeah, that is what we're rolling, y'all. think that's level enough. Because there is a lot faster way to do this that I found easier to do. Put this on the bottom. Take the garland, hold it, put it level. And then what we're going to do is we are going to spin our whole little.
Our shirts match.
They do. Push them up.
Aww.
Yeah, my shorts are different.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright, y'all. Now that everything is done there as far as your garland, I had to go get some glue sticks. So now that I got my glue sticks, we are going to start filling in our gaps with our ornaments. So I have blue, silver, and white ornaments. Simply going to put hot glue around the bottom and hook these ornaments in around the garland, like so. With the hot glue, it might help to actually poke the glue in and then put your ornament in. Just depends on how you guys want to do it. This is a ton of like snowman, y'all. Let me pull some of these off. Because like it's overwhelming. Like a small one, it's cool, but that's better. Alright, now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put this down. I'm just gonna go ahead and just put them in. Alright, y'all, that looks so much better without all of those freaking snowmen. Now, there are still a few spots of see, green that I'm seeing on here. I want to take some silver.
Come on, what the? Okay, I got it out.
have this silver garland, y'all. And it's also going to help tone down some of this blue.
What even are garlands? Like
Garland.
oh, so garlic.
I said garland.
So garlic.
Bruh.
I said garland.
Garlic.
I'm done. See, I told you too many times.
I told you too many times too that it's scarlet.
It's not garland.
Vampires say garlic, so you're a vampire.
Bruh, I'm not a vampire. We're just going to hot glue this to the pool noodle. Beginning. Then, voila, you have a beautiful blue and silver and white garland
Wait, we robbing the right White House?
on top of, what did you say, the White House?
Yeah, we robbing it.
Oh my god. It is. The snowman on it.
I was not supposed to get caught.
Alright. So now, I'm going to hang this up on the wall over the TV. Y'all, we have to be careful now because CK is watching. And I think I do want to leave some.
Wait,
lights to it.
I think I got a Corvette.
Are these fairy lights?
Or is that not a Corvette?
Or are they colored? Oh, these are colored. I need some white fairy lights. I will be right back, y'all. We got 25 minutes.
Then you'll have so much money. Then you'll have so much money that would be. You have so much. What if you had all the people that subscribe to you?